This is a favorite EVS topic, A Day with Nandu, which talks about elephants, and this has been taken from class 4, chapter 3. So Nandu is an elephant. He wakes up, and the entire story is told through him. And we know that Nanima is the oldest in this herd. And what are the things we come to know is that baby elephants enjoy playing in the water. Other elephants lay down in water and mud. They can eat more than 100 kgs of leaves and twigs. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. They have big ears which work like fans, so which keeps them cool. And although Nandu is only 3 months old, he weighs 200 grams. The rest of the chapter is all about pictures showing Nandu having fun. Another important fact is that Nandu lives with a herd of elephants. So the elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. It will have 10 to 12 female elephants. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14-15 years old, and after that they leave. And the oldest female is the leader of the herd. So if you know this much, that's all you need for your CITET exam. Let's see the note which will make it easy for you. So here are the 5 to 7 points which you need to remember. That an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kgs of leaves, and a baby elephant weighs 200 kgs. They generally will switch these numbers to confuse you. Also, elephants hardly sleep much, so they sleep for 3 to 4 or 2 to 3 hours a day. Their ears are like fans, which helps them to keep cool. They also keep cool by being in water and mud. Elephant herd mainly has females and babies. The oldest female is the head of the herd, and male elephants leave the herd once they are 14-15 years old. After that, they move alone. So just these details is more than enough for you to answer any questions about this very favorite topic of EVS. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.